Let's take a look at what's going on in the tropics, because we do have now what is being called potential tropical cyclone 5. And I heard what is probably a very good description of a potential tropical cyclone as opposed to an invest is basically a PTC is an invest with a track. But I would also add that it's still an area that looks like it has that potential to become more organized into either a depression or a storm that is near land, because with this classification, watches are up for some of the lesser Antilles. Certainly looking better organized, and it definitely has that appearance of the low-level circulation. Thunderstorms developing, though not completely around the center. They're actually off to the west and not to the east. And it's going to have a tough time strengthening because it is moving at 21 miles an hour. So it is going to be racing across the Caribbean over the coming days. And notice the Hurricane Center does not strengthen it to a hurricane. But as we approach the end of the weekend and early into Monday, maybe Tuesday, we could have it in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. Beyond that is still very much a question mark. But as I mentioned, this is our high resolution satellite, and it is definitely getting that better appearance on satellite. Most of the model guidance is in very good agreement with the next 3 days, generally northwest, northwest, or west-northwest, I should say, across the Caribbean, and then possibly getting into the Gulf. But we've also started to see a little bit more of the model consensus turning it up toward Florida, maybe not even reaching the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. I hate to look that far into the future, but here's what we're looking at. Right now, it's moving so quickly because of a big subtropical ridge that is moving it along. It is eventually going to start making that turn toward the north because of an upper trough along the east coast. It's that upper trough that's going to bring us a cold front for the weekend. So what is going to bring in some rainfall as we get into the holiday weekend may also keep that storm away from us. And I also want to add, the GFS and the Euro are not in agreement. The GFS has that system in Tuesday near southwestern Florida. On the Euro, nothing. The Euro kind of rips the storm apart once over the Caribbean. So we will wait and see. And that's pretty much been par for the course this tropical season, is very much wait and see.